Hey guys, I wanted to shoot a video and teach you how to get a college degree for free. If you go hit the internet and look for college degrees for free, you're likely going to find what I call fake free degrees. The degree itself is usually not fake, but being free is usually just a marketing gimmick, and it actually costs a lot of money. Now, that doesn't mean that college can't be free to you. I'm going to walk you through 3 steps to earn a college degree without paying out of pocket. I did this myself, and I paid about $200 for my full bachelor's degree, which is kind of unheard of it. Just taxes and fees, basically. Let me walk you through how to do this stuff. Now let's walk through 3 steps that will actually allow you to get a free college degree. The first being you have to find the right schools. What I'm going to look for is schools that offer what I call flat rate tuition, basically a fixed rate for an entire semester. This is how much a semester costs instead of charging per credit. If you charge per credit, you have to pay for 120 credits. Your degree is going to end up costing 40, 50, 60 plus $1,000. That's not what we want. The second thing I want to look for is I look for schools that have 0 cap on how many classes you can take per semester. You can take as many classes as you want for that flat rate. Now, I look for schools that will allow you to earn a full bachelor's degree in less than 1 year, sometimes even faster than that. If you can look for schools where it's possible to do like a 3 to 6 month degree, that's what I'm talking about, and that's when it can get really, really cheap, and we're talking free. I prefer schools that allow you to test out of your classes so that you're not stuck in the classroom format. Even if the price structure is good, if you have to go through and be a traditional student, you can't do it very fast. It's still going to cost you a lot of money. So if you can test out of your classes, you can go learn everything you need to learn, then come back, test out of the classes, get credit for classes a whole lot faster. Now, on top of that, I don't like doing coursework. So if you can find schools that don't require homework or textbooks or lesson plans or group projects or quizzes, any of that, and will only require the final exam for the test, that is my favorite type of school. And on top of that, I prefer schools that are less than $10,000 per year. And that doesn't mean you have to pay the $10,000. So stick with me here. But you want schools that charge less than $10,000. Now, if you're thinking these schools don't exist, you're talking about unicorns, let me show you a couple. Let's start with Western Governors University. This is a school that has business programs, tech programs, health and nursing programs, and education programs, and they charge between $3,500 and $4,000 every 6 months. And you can test out of your classes, which is really, really cool. Another school is called Purdue University Global. Not all of their programs are this unicorn style program, but they have what's called these Excel track programs. Basically programs where you're completing tasks at your own pace to get credit for classes, and you can take as many classes as you want each semester for a flat fee. Another school that's structured similarly is called University of Massachusetts Global. They offer what's called these MyPath programs. These MyPath programs are competency-based, and you're going through tasks and projects at your own pace really, really quickly to earn full degrees, again, for a flat rate fee. Another school is called University of Maine at Presque Isle. They have what's called these Your Pace programs, and they're structured very similarly. So there are actually a lot more schools that do things like this, but I wanted to show you that these schools do exist. So completing step 1 is finding a school like this that's going to allow you to go really fast for a very, very low cost. The second step of this is to fund that $10,000 in tuition through grants and scholarships. Now, if you're like, whoa, I can't get grants and scholarships. Yes, you can. There are scholarships for just about anything. Most people, though, can't qualify for $50,000 to $100,000 in scholarships. Anyone can qualify for $5,000 to $10,000 in scholarships. This is how it becomes free if you complete step 3, which is to actually earn the degree in under a year. I use a method called degree hacking, and it's essentially 3 steps. first, figure out what you need to learn. Second, learn it on your own, not using the school system. And third, test out of your classes or prove to the school that you have the knowledge and get the credit that way. Now, if you're wondering how the heck do I get funding, government grants are really easy. You just go to the grant website and click start a new form and fill out the form. If you qualify, you qualify. If you don't, scholarships, that's how you're going to pay for your school. There are scholarships available all across the internet, and they're not very hard to find. You can start with resources like scholarships.com, FastWeb, or Going Merry. These are all resources where you can go and find scholarships. The key here, though, is you got to bring that cost down to below $10,000, and you actually have to earn the degree in under a year. Then you fund with scholarships and grants. And this is not a fake free degree. It takes a little legwork to plan this out in the beginning, but you walk away with an entire bachelor's degree in months, not years, without paying out of your own pocket. Like I said, I did it for about $200, just some taxes and fees, and I got my bachelor's degree in 9 months. Now, if you are interested in getting the degree this quickly, I'll leave a link to a video right here where I walk through my 3-step process of degree hacking, so you can go get a college degree faster as well. Hope this video has added value to your day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.